Hey everybody! If you're trying to look out for your Instagram's password, in today's video we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by going ahead and accessing the settings application if you're on Android device, because if you're trying to look out for your password within Instagram, it is not possible due to Instagram security policy. So for that, you need to look out for your saved password instead. So scroll down from here and look out for Google Services, tap on it. And once you go to Google Services, you can look out for your saved passwords, look out for all services, and you can scroll down and go to the pass keys in devices section or autofill with Google, etc. and tap on it. So you can tap on autofill with Google. And once you tap on it, you should be finding a section called Google Password Manager. You can tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page right here. So here are all of your saved password. So what you need to do is scroll through here and look out for Instagram. So if you find Insta here, you can basically go ahead and tap on it. For example, let's say this is Insta. And once you tap on it, here you'll be finding your username or your email address that you've used to create the account. And similarly, right below it, you'll be finding the password. Now, in order to view the password, you just need to tap on this eye icon right beside the password. And when you type it, the password should be visible. So the only way if you want to go ahead and view your password is if your password is saved, only then you will be able to view your password. Otherwise, you need to reset your password. For that, you can head over to the login page of Insta. And then you should be getting this page. You can just go over and look out for option of forgot your login credentials, get help logging in, and follow the on-screen instructions of Instagram to reset your password. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. You may follow up the steps for that. So give it a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.